Okay, students, today we are going to start one of the advanced topic and very difficult topic to understand on a board or through the books. Okay, so that's why I have started through the slides with the multicolor diagrams. Okay, people are not able to, when you go for the normal study, when you go as per the normal study from the books, when even teachers wanted to explain on the board, due to lack of the drawing diagram and using multicolor on the simple board, it was difficult. Okay, so for that I have made some slides with multicolor diagrams so that your concept will be clear. Okay, and advanced examination and for getting the seat in AIMS or getting the seat in NIT, you have to have thorough concept. Okay, that concept will be clear the way you study. So this is not possible for any student to understand from the normal textbook reading, and it is there in the syllabus also. Okay, so let us go for the what is nearest neighbors. Here today in this lecture, not only we are going to study na- nearest neighbors, nearest to nearest neighbors, and nearest to nearest neighbor. That is called as a second nearest neighbors. Okay, third nearest neighbors. So with diagram, you will be able to understand very nicely. I hope this session is going to be very interesting and very understanding. Okay, let's start nearest neighbor concept. Okay, here I am taking one particular cell. Okay, my target target lattice point is this. Okay, I am going to explain you everything about the nearest neighbors with respect to whatever the neighbors I am considering, they are with respect to this particular constituent particle. Okay, with respect. So here, if it is at this place, now don't worry about the type of unit cell. The type of unit cell under study is simple cubic. Okay. For easiness, what I am taking the simple cubic unit cell. In the simple cubic unit cell, our target is to find out the neighbors of this particular. Okay. This particular, I think it is understood. Now it is nearest neighbors are this one. Okay. So how many nearest neighbors are there? See, this is the unit cell under target. Okay. Now this with respect to this, it is a corner. What is this? This is a corner. Okay. Now I am taking the corner of a simple cube. What I am taking? I am taking the corner of a simple cube. And my own intention is to about this unit cell only. So to this is a neighbor, and to this is a neighbor unit cell. This is a neighbor unit cell. Okay. So we are going to study in two ways: its neighbors within the unit cell, its neighbors outside the unit cell. Okay. So if this is a corner, it is within this unit cell. Within this unit cell, this is one neighbor, this is another neighbor. Okay. Same way, this is another neighbor, nearest neighbor. Okay. So this distance is how much? This distance. Let me clear some unnecessary things. So this is about the one unit cell under the target. Okay. So now we are going to study number of nearest neighbor. This is the shortest possible distance. Let us take this as a edge length A. So this also will be edge length A. Again, I am saying this is not FCC. This is a simple cubic unit cell. These are all drawn. This is the first neighbor. This is the second neighbor. This is the third neighbor. Simple cubic. Okay, this is also simple cubic. This is also simple cubic. So one simple cubic unit cell, I am taking three neighbors, and this is the simple cubic unit cell. So this will be A, this will be A, and this will be A. Okay. So this is the first nearest neighbor. Now next neighbor will be this one. Next neighbor will be which one? This one. Okay. So what will be the distance and how many number of neighbors are there, that also we are going to study. Okay. So first make a clear diagram about this. Okay. So this is the way only you will understand neighboring concept. Okay, we have taken that was only one layer. That was one layer of the simple cubic and only one layer, one unit cell. Okay, now this is our target unit cell. This is surrounded by three neighbor unit cell at the same layer and four neighbor units at the top layer. Okay, so here I am considering two types of neighbors. Nearest neighbor with respect to this is the nearest neighbor. Okay, next nearest neighbor, next nearest neighbor, next nearest neighbor with the purple color. Okay, so four nearest neighbors are the next nearest neighbors. Okay, so here NN means nearest neighbor. Okay, next nearest neighbors are this one, next nearest neighbors, triple N. Is it understood? N stands for the nearest, N stands for the neighbor. Here N stands for the next and nearest neighbors. So this purple color, which are diagonally opposite in the same plane, diagonally opposite in the same plane. This is the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. Okay. And this is the vertically perpendicular to us. Vertical plane perpendicular to us. Okay. This is one, this is another, this is another. Like that, four next nearest neighbor will be there in the vertical perpendicular plane to us. Okay, and in horizontal plane, next nearest neighbors are how many? Next nearest neighbors in horizontal plane will be four. Next nearest neighbor in vertically perpendicular to us is four. Same way, these are vertically up but parallel to us. These are the vertically up but parallel to us. Okay. So total number of next nearest neighbor overall I am telling you. Okay. Suppose if I take only one unit cell, so that time only 1, 2, 3. So I am writing it here. In one unit cell it is different. In overall crystal lattice it is different. Okay. In one unit cell. First let us take, I will give you the notes in the next slide. Okay. Number of nearest neighbors. So in one unit cell I have to consider only this blue portion. Okay. In one unit cell, one, two, three. Okay. Only these three are the next nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors. Okay. Nearest neighbors are how many? Three. One, two, three. These blue color. One, two, and three are the nearest neighbor. And the distance will be how much? A. Okay. And next nearest neighbor, that is N, N and N. Okay. They are how many again? Diagonally opposite in the same plane. This one and this one. Okay. So next nearest neighbors also will be 3, but distance will be root 2a. Distance will be how much? Root 2a. Is that clear? And third one is the next to next nearest neighbors. Okay. So that will be body diagonally opposite. This will be root 3a. They will be how many? Only one. Body diagonally opposite will be only one. Okay. And that will be root 3a. So this is the number of neighbors and their distance within one unit cell. Okay. Now this is what entire crystal lattice. If I consider entire crystal lattice, this is the scene. Is it understood? In the entire crystal lattice, nearest neighbor will be vertically up, vertically down, left and right, front and back. Okay. So that will be different in crystal lattice. I am writing it here. In entire crystal lattice, in entire crystal lattice, if I am taking, in entire crystal lattice I am taking, number of nearest neighbors will be how many? 6. Okay. 1, 2. Front and back, left and right, top and bottom. Okay. Now, next about the next nearest neighbors. Next nearest neighbor will be C. Horizontally, this we are going to study again in the FCC also, because that time this is going to be FCC. Okay. Next nearest neighbor will be, see, horizontal plane 4, vertically up but perpendicular to us will be 4, vertically up parallel to us will be 4. Okay, total will be how many? 12. But the distance is going to be same. Okay, here the next nearest neighbor will be A, and next nearest neighbor will be root 2A. Okay. So note down, if you draw, if you are able to draw it, and on the same plane of paper, if you are able to write, that is going to be wonderful. Okay. See how to differentiate them. It is like this. The distance A is less than root 2A less than root 3A. Okay. So that's why this is A is considered as a nearest neighbor. Okay. Root 2A considered as next nearest neighbor. And root 3A is considered as next to next nearest neighbor. Okay. So this is the nearest neighbor. Okay. And diagonally opposite. This is diagonally opposite but within the same plane. Face diagonal, that will be next nearest neighbor. Body diagonal opposite, that is opposite corner, will be next nearest neighbor. Okay. So like this, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am circling them, triple 4 ends. Okay. Next to nearest neighbor will be, here it is not drawn, 4 at the bottom. Similarly, 4 at the top you will find. Next to nearest next neighbors will be 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. And they are just body diagonal. Body diagonal length will be root 3a. Root 3a is the very highest. That's why it is 4 times n. Next to two next nearest neighbors. Next to nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor. Okay. So that relation number of are very, very important. If you understand this concept in the simple cubic unit cell, then it is, I think, more than sufficient for answering any type of twisted questions. Any type of twisted questions you will be able to clear now. Okay, here in one simple cubic unit cell, actually that was complicated to explain. Now this is a clear diagram to explain. Okay, nearest neighbors, that is NN. This is A. Okay, so this distance will be face diagonal, so it will be root 2A. This will be what? Root 2A. This will be root 2a. Okay, this is what? Phase diagonal. Normally we call it as a phase diagonal. Here it is not entire crystal. It is not entire crystal. It is phase diagonal. Okay, and this distance will be root 3a. Okay, so this purple color is triple ends, and what do you call orange color is 4 times ends. Okay, root 3a. This is body diagonal. Okay, body diagonal. This and how many n are there? See here. How many? 3. 3 blue color circles. So nearest neighbors are 3. Next nearest neighbors, that is purple color. Purple color are how many? 3. Okay, body diagonal within one unit cell I am asking. Okay, 1. So this is number of and their distance. Okay, so this is one unit cell. Okay, already explained, so let us not waste much time into this. Let us go to the next one. Okay, from here we can say double ends. Nearest near distance is A, and it is equal to 3 triple ends root 2A. It is 3 4 ends. root 3a, and it is one in one simple cubic unit cell. So because I am repeating this, because after that same will be doubt. Okay. So this is a simple cubic unit cell. Okay, now FCC. Now this is about what? FCC unit cell. Simple cubic repeated again and again so that you should be able to understand and differentiate between the simple cubic and FCC. Okay. So here particular constant particle under observation, this one. Okay. So here you may feel three different colors, and with respect to our four colors. Okay. So this green color, this green color, this green color, this green color. All these green colors are in parallel to ground, and they are phase centers. What they are? They are phase centers. Okay. So these are the nearest neighbors, only double ends. Okay. And what will be the distance? This total distance is root 2a. This total distance was root 2a. Okay. Root 2a by 2. So what will be the distance? A by root 2. Okay. Okay. So like that, this can also be called as a coordination number. Okay. Coordination number will be 4 within the horizontal plane. And same way this is. This one, and this one, and this one. I will show you clearly in the next slide. Plane one by one plane I will explain. But once you understand together, then it will be easy to understand further concepts. Okay. So this is a vertically up plane. What is this? This is a vertically up plane, but perpendicular to us. Okay. Vertically up and perpendicular to us. This is the plane vertically up but parallel to that. Okay. So here number of nearest neighbors are how many? Total 4, 4 and 4. All of them are 12. Okay. This is called as a coordination number also. Coordination number is what? That is why we call the coordination number of FCC as 12. Okay. Why it is 12? Is it understood? Now here next nearest neighbors only. There is nothing new about the coordination number. Coordination number is number of nearest neighbors. Okay. Number of nearest neighbors will be coordination numbers. Okay. In the crystal lattice we consider. Now here these are the parallel to ground. Parallel to ground. These are vertically up, perpendicular to observer. This is vertically up, parallel to observer. Okay. Parallel to observer. So this is a plane parallel to observer. Okay. Vertically up, parallel. Vertically up, parallel to observer. Okay. And this is the plane. This is also vertically up. Okay. But perpendicular to observer. Okay. Now this is the plane parallel to ground. Parallel to ground. Is it understood now? So this is how total, and their distance is how much? A by root 2. Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Okay, in the previous, we have taken all planes together. This is the slide which shows only parallel to the ground. This slide shows only parallel to the ground. Okay. So this is root 2a by 2. Root 2a by 2. 4 here. Okay. Horizontal plane. This is called as a horizontal plane. Are parallel to ground also. That is as per our individual interest. Okay. Now let us see about the next one. This is vertically plane but perpendicular to us. Okay. Next, this is also vertically up but parallel to us. So total 4, 4, 4. Total will be 12. Okay. Now this is the summary. So I am explaining it here. Listen. So in the FCC, there are 14 constant particle. 8 will be at corner, 6 will be at face center. Therefore, total number of constant particles are how many? 14. Okay. So in this 14 lattice point, let us see about the number of nearest neighbors. Okay. Nearest neighbors will be, these are the face diagonal at the mid of the phase diagonal, that is root 2. A is the phase diagonal and it is mid of the phase diagonal, that's why it is root 2 A by 2. Okay. Next, next nearest neighbors are at a distance from particle under observation. Okay. So then next to next nearest neighbor, triple F, 4 ends will be root 3 A by 2. Okay. This will be actually A. This is A distance. Okay. A is what? Edge length. What is A here? Edge length. So here the first will be 1 by root 2. We can say as a 1 by root 2, then less 1 by root 2 A less than root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2A. Okay. This is the nearest neighbor. This is next to nearest neighbor, and this is with the next to next nearest neighbor. Okay. Next to next nearest neighbor. 1 by root 2A and root 3A. Root 3 by 2A. Okay. This is at A distance. A means edge length. A means what? Edge length. And the number of next to next neighbor under are 3. So these are 3 and these are 3 and these are 3. This is one unit cell. I am taking in a single FCC. Whatever I have explained, that is about the coordination number in the crystal lattice. In one crystal, in single FCC. Okay. In one unit FCC, number of, I am writing it clearly here, nearest neighbor, number of next to nearest neighbor, next to next nearest neighbor. Okay. These are also 3, these are also 3, these are also 3. But in simple cubic, it was 1. It was 1. Okay. This is in one unit, one FCC. But in entire crystal lattice, it will be something else. Okay. Make a note of it. Okay, now I will show you a diagram, two diagrams. Okay, and it is a memory test. What will be your observation and what will be your retention power? Okay, so draw this diagram or you memorize in your brain. Based on this, I am going to ask you the questions. Based on this, I am going to ask you the questions. One more complicated diagram also I am going to give you. Okay. Very good observation. This is simple cubic. Okay. What is the reference point? Reference point to us here. 1 is the reference point to us. Okay. What is reference point? This is the reference point to us. What is the with respect to 1? With respect to 1, 3, 6, 7. With respect to 1, 2, 4, 5. With respect to 1, 8. Okay. So these type of questions are going to come in the advanced examination in the integer type. Okay. So then sum of the next nearest neighbor. What are the 3, 6, 7? Very good. They are the 3, 6, 7 are double next to nearest neighbor. What are the 2, 4, 5? They are nearest neighbor. What is the 8? They are the next to next nearest neighbors. Okay. So if nothing is provided like this, you will be able to identify now. So don't forget to note down. Take up some time and handwritten. While writing also you should be able to understand. Okay, thank you for watching. All the best for your any type of question. I think now you will be in a situation for any type of questions on the nearest neighbor concept.